Check this out. Are you making any of these 4 RV camper setup rookie mistakes? Mistakes that make leveling and backing up your camper more difficult than it really needs to be? In this video, I've got 4 clever gear hacks, smart, simple tools that'll do the work for you and make your job way easier. So, after watching this video, I doubt you're going to want to go back to doing things the old way, but hey, you be the judge. And your first camper setup rookie mistake is not using a backup camera. I'm gonna back up my camper into this campsite and show you what I mean about using a backup camera. I've got a couple obstacles here when I was coming in. I've got this right here to watch out for. And then when I get closer into the back of the campsite, got a picnic table right there, of course, a couple of big trees, and my hookups are right over there. So there's just not a lot of space in between the trees and the hookups. So the backup camera is really going to help me. And of course, all campsites are different. Some of them are going to have more obstacles to look out for than others. Before I show you my secret weapon, my backup camera, I'm wondering if you're like me. And I always thought that installing a backup camera would be challenging in itself and cost hundreds of dollars to get a good one, right? Am I the only one that thought this? But check this out. This is my Auto-Vox solar wireless backup camera, and it plugs right in here into my cigarette lighter, just like that. And that powers it right on. But check this out. Now I've got eyes behind my camper. Look at how clear that picture is. Let me show you as I'm backing up. Thanks to this backup camera, I can actually see exactly where I'm going, which makes backing up way less stressful. This camera, for its price, really has a great picture. And I love that it's 5 inches because it doesn't take up a lot of space on my dashboard. We take a look. And I was able to see out of my mirror for this one a little bit as well, but I was able to get really close to the hookup and position it right exactly where I needed it. Here's what I love about this specific backup camera. This camera was easy to install, and I gotta tell you, it's so easy to use. You just turn it on and it just syncs to the device and you can see what's behind you. And if you know me, you know I love easy. This backup camera has totally been a game changer for me. At the time of this recording, the Auto-Vox solar wireless backup camera is $149 on Amazon. But I also have a 15% savings Amazon promo code to share with you. And I'll leave my special promo code and links to all of the other products that I'm going to share with you today in the video description below. However, I do not know exactly how long this promo code is going to be good for. So if you want to save 15%, I suggest that you get it as soon as possible. Your second camper setup rookie mistake is not using a leveling system. I've been using the Beech Lane RV Leveling System, and it has helped me tremendously at taking the guesswork out of getting my camper level. Let me show you just how easy and how useful this leveling system is. I installed the device for this leveling system in the outside of my RV camper's storage area. That device automatically syncs to an app on my phone, so when I'm in my tow vehicle, I can see if I'm level or not. And it's telling me that my driver's side is low, and it's telling me exactly how low it is. So this leads me to my third camper setup rookie mistake, and that is not using curved levelers. It's a ramp, so you just pull onto the leveler, and the further you are up on the leveler, the more height you're giving that side of your RV camper to get it level. I've been using these guys for years now, and they're another game changer. And because the Beech Lane RV Leveling System told me it was my driver's side that was low, I'm gonna place my curved leveler right behind the driver's side tire. Using curved levelers with a leveling system is a match made in heaven. Now, I'm going to turn the RV leveling app back on so I can see exactly when I'm level. Oopsie, I went a bit too far, so I just pulled forward a little bit and nailed it. Now I'm level. That was easy peasy. Now, to level my RV camper from front to back, I'm going to use the app again. And it says that the front's too high. So I'll lower the front and I'm gonna watch the app in real time until it hits 0. Now that I was able to quickly back my camper into my campsite and leveling my campsite was a breeze, the next step is to put down my stabilizer jacks. But camper setup rookie mistake number 4 is using blocks for your stabilizers instead of RV SnapPads. Let me show you why. You attach them once and they permanently stay on. Here's a couple of other things you need to know about SnapPads. They're faster, they're easier, and more secure because they have better grip and support than the plastic blocks that everyone uses. Also, RV SnapPads help absorb vibration, so there's going to be less rocking and shaking when you move inside your camper. I think RV SnapPads are genius. So I need to know, could any of these make your camper setup routine any easier? You be the judge. I'd love to hear your take. If you want more details about any of the products that I shared with you today, including full reviews, installation tips, and my honest Randy's rating for each one, I've got you covered. They're all in my Randy's Ratings playlist. So click right here, right now to start watching those videos next.